Get out of the way!
Recording. We're pretty late to work. It's the engine from the car.
And M. Harrigan, Wavell Heights. A Gold Coast man's obsession with jet engines has led to heated disputes with his neighbours and the police. He bought the original Vampire fighter engine at a War Museum auction. Now, after some test firings, he's unsure what to do with it.
Paul Martin lives in a quiet Gold Coast suburb where the streets are named entirely after fruits. His neighbours believe that's not altogether a coincidence. In fact, some believe Paul is somewhat of a fruit cake. Unlike most backyards, the centrepiece of his garden is a genuine World War II 5,000 horsepower Rolls-Royce jet engine.
It cost me $360, so it's not much for a toy like this.
The toy took no more than 3 solid weeks to be stripped and pieced together again. Using domestic kerosene, Paul fires up the noisy backyard burner when it suits, anchoring the Vampire engine by chain attached to a crane.
I'm a bit worried that the jet's going to go through my bedroom, which is over there.
But Joanne and neighbours won't have to worry much longer. The local police have already issued their warnings.
That would have to be by far the clearest noise complaint I've ever had. He offered to fire it up for us and I wouldn't let him.
Paul is now unsure what to do with the antique engine. It will sit peacefully in the barren backyard until he finds a use.
I was thinking of putting it in a hovercraft or a boat. but I'll have to see what turns up. Money's a bit of a problem.
Chris Reason, National 9 News.
His grass might grow back too. We'll join Jana in just a moment. From all of us at National 9 News. Good